Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Name is Alwiti and for to make a cup of coffee, ingredients: the ground coffee, sugar, thermostat, soda, water. Equipment: a cup,
Ingredients: a grounded coffee, sugar, thermos that is hot water. The equipments: a glass, a spoon. The steps how to make it. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add a tablespoon of coffee.
Next, pour the water into the cup. Then, mix them with stirring. Finally, a cup of hot coffee is ready to serve.
It's ready to be served. That's very delicious, guys.
Oh, yeah.